Hi, good morning. So, if you want to learn spoken English, the most important thing is that you have to start. You have to start from a point. It doesn't matter what you know, how many grammatical rules you can memorize, or how many words do you know. It's not very much important. The most important thing is that you will have to start from a certain point. As early as you start, you complete your journey early. And how many days you need to be a fluent speaker? There is no specific time. Some experts say that you need just 100 hours to master anything in the world. Includes anything, literally, like playing guitar or anything. Okay, so if you are focused, if you can spare 100 hours from the beginning, you can learn everything. So spoken English, I think you already know a lot of words, you already are familiar with simple grammatical rules. So don't wait for perfect moments, perfect partners. Start today, start now. And if you ask me how should I start, just make a set of questions what people or your friends may ask you, and try to reply those questions to yourself. Thank you for watching this video.